So this is what I planned on doing today. However, plans changed. I was supposed to be transforming the rear of my BMW 540 today. This is the CS style lip. I think I got it from AKA Motorsports, which is pretty much the same thing as Alibaba. If you want me to be 100% honest with you guys, it looks exactly the same. I got that from Alibaba, and I've seen examples like that. And it only cost me 119 bucks, which would have been great if it wasn't destroyed. So if you guys aren't familiar with me and this BMW 540, I bought it and I decided to shove a lot of freaking Aliexpress parts on it. I will say the fitment is good. The fitment is pretty good. I like the black on the carbon black, which is technically blue. However, car's filthy right now, so you guys probably can't tell the difference. Oh, this thing makes the back look so good. Man, this thing looks so nice. It goes with the diffuser, which is actually broken as well. So nice. So I knew it was broken. It was broken before I put it on the car. I just wanted to test it out to see what I thought about it. Is it worth ordering another one? And so far I can say I'll definitely order another diffuser and definitely order another trunk lip. Just like that. God dang, that thing is filthy. So crazy enough, this is yet another package. I don't know if this one's coming from, I think this one's coming from eBay. Once again, haven't even opened this up yet. I got somewhere I gotta go, so I don't know if I'll be able to make it. The Porsche is freaking filthy. I left this bad boy outside under a tree, obviously, for a few. It has to get clean, so this is bad. Oh, and it's leaves all down there. This is bad. It was only supposed to be outside for like one day, but I had to change of plans. So I had to freaking get this thing to get washed, get ready for time for Friday. I'm gonna try to dump it off by Phil. Yeah, that's like the 15th fire truck I've heard so far. All right, what side was it damaged on? This side. Okay, I'll take a look at the front lip. Looks good in this corner. Looks pretty good to me. Oh shit, I just hit the top of the thing. Yeah, I would have claimed that shit, I ain't gonna lie. Wait a second, it is a little hairline crack in there. But that's nothing. It sits on the bottom, it's gonna get destroyed. That's one of the reasons why I definitely agree with cheap diffusers and things like that, or things that sit on the bottom of the car. Bro, they're gonna get damaged. If you have like a show car and you drive around New York City, this is my daily. It's gonna see the city a lot more. So, bro, just put something on there that one, if somebody steals, they can have it. It's not a huge deal. Was still get me tight, but you get my point. And two, things could happen to it, and you know, I won't lose my mind over paying $800 to $1,000 or $1,400 for a carbon fiber front lip every like what 3 or 4 months. I think that's like so stupid, but whatever. Come with these like top fin things. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it. I just want this right here. We'll see how it looks. I'll throw both of them on, but this is gonna be for another day, and I really got to do better. I gotta do better. I'm using my freaking Porsche wing as like a freaking workbench. Oh man, my stupid ass brought the coffee cup with no freaking lid. I love these cups, by the way, but in the Porsche, the BMW, I could let it rock out because it's not gonna spill out, whatever, but on the Porsche, I knocked my teeth out and freaking spill of coffee. I don't even know if that tractor trailer could see me, bro. I damn near drive up under that thing, man. Look at that, the wheels is like right here by the damn, sheesh, man. But I love driving this thing. We got 32 minutes to go on my little morning commute. It ain't bad though. It's not bad at all. We dropped off the 540 to get some done to it. I think you guys are gonna love it. And then we can finally put the front lip on and stuff like that and see how everything came out. And I got run by my guy Phil, so. Come on, baby, push through. What is that? Oh, he's moving out of the way from it. Oh no, come on, we slicing and dicing, baby. What we doing today, huh? What we doing today, baby? What is that? A3, S3, RS3. Oh god, you got the sleeper of the century over here. It's freaking Hyundai. This motherfucker should might fuck around gap my black ass. Elantra N. Damn, imagine getting gapped by Elantra. It ain't gonna happen today. I'll be honest with you on that, but ain't happening today, my boy. You can hear little burblies. If I get an exhaust for this thing, bro, I might have to visit Alibaba one last time for that exhaust. Check me out. You know, we got the Porsche out here in the freaking rain in the city, but she's still here, man. She's still here. Freaking filthy. I wasn't planning on taking it out today, but look at this. Yo, I'm like dead ass letting off freaking little Mario Kart, little like banana peels or whatever on the highway, bro. This is the second freaking outer exhaust that came out. The V10 and the E36. Man, I like the color too. Man, they got some sick ass builds out here, bro. What? Let's see how it looks in the rain. Oh yeah, that front lip's definitely gonna hit. Damn. What do you guys think though, man? Whew, just like that way back, I gotta adjust my seat settings, boy. Whew, we are up there. I'm pretty sure they had to move these seats up to get to the stuff in the back, which I ain't feel like doing. Yo, oh my God, this shit feel comfortable. Yo, oh man, bruh. This shit feels good, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Yo, for everybody out there, because don't get me, I was gonna just skip this whole option, bro. But everybody out there that told me to go, MSS, thank you, bro. Here we go, traffic yet again. I don't know. I feel like the back has to come down a little bit. I really gotta adjust that front lip. I think what I did with it, I tried to use the slots that was there already, and it's too far up. I gotta move it back. Hell yeah, it looks way better. What do you think about the front lip though? I don't even know if you guys can see it. It looks good. It's just missing the side. Like once you do the front, bro, you have to do everything on the car. What do you guys think about the front lip, man? What you thinking about it? I think it looks decent. Looks all right. I just forgot to get like one of them little nighttime on the curb pics or vids. It's not that low though. It's not bad. I'm pretty sure I can get it to look a little more saucy. The front lip look all right. I'm so glad I got lucky. I wasn't paying attention. I'd have hit that whole thing.
Oh, damn, bro.
Yeah, brother, it's that, come on, man, it's that comfort seat.
Damn. I felt like I was fucking going into space. Want to bring the car inside?
Yeah, for like 2 seconds, I want to see the front lip. Yeah, that's kind of loud, bro. You sound like a drug dealer in there.
Who installed this lip? You?
I installed the lip, bro. I did it last minute.
I can tell.
But I just wanted to see a little mock-up, but I don't think it's gonna look good, like 100%.
Something's not right.
Looking mighty fine lower, bro.
Have you ever heard of the movie Paid in Full?
Yes.
You remember the wide body
The wide body,
E30?
yeah.
not only is this the paid in full car, this is the father and son team that built the car.
For the movie.
For the movie.
I think you did a did I see a video on that or something?
Eric Sr.'s in the car.
Gotcha.
He's the original builder, original creator of the paid in full car. His son has now joined the business with his daughter. People have built their whole identity around paid in full era. Harlem.
Yeah. Oh, yo, if you go to Harlem now, everybody has BBS. You got it? Yo, that's good?
I can't fit.
Nah, it's a little too tight. I don't know if you want to move up here. Oh, wait. Oh, he's gonna back up. Look at that.
That's how good we did today.
A Honda Civic.
That's how good we did today.
What color is this right here, man?
That's a British Racing Green.
This is British Racing Green.
Yeah, British Racing Green.
That looks like it'll be a nice color.
Come see it in the sun.
Oh my God, that's sexy, man. It's a perfect color for this too.
Yeah, it is.
These colors, like, I don't know, for some reason the M3, I would expect it. These look sexy as hell though. But I would expect it to be like a fire color.
You're in the way, bro. We're talking about you.
Life of the party, baby. Come on. I have it.
Haggerty?
For 35?
Oh, that's good. Should be a little higher.
It needs to be higher, yeah.
Should be like 45.
I'm gonna raise the value on the 911.
You should. What is it?
Right now, I think it's like 62 or 52. 100 grand right now. I crashed into a river for 100 grand. Yo, this is a bad bitch. Yo, straight in. Oh my God, this is what I was, yo. This is actually how, but this is nice, bro. I think it's the wheels that do it for me, man. The wheels is fire on this bitch. Backing up. No. There we go. Put that right there like that. Put that right there like that. Phil.
About to head out.
Oh, okay. I was just about to ask you when you're leaving.
See you then. No problem, bro. I'll be here. I'll be here. No worries. Okay. Bye.
And just like that, made it back to the crib. Brand new replacement diffuser is already in. I'm not gonna put that on until the exhaust tips and everything else with the exhaust work comes in. And I drop it off to get all that done up to the muffler shop, and then we'll throw that on after. Have that whole thing looking all dope. And yeah, but I'm gonna get up out of here. Gotta go. Got a few hours of sleep. Then we're gonna wake up and do it all over again. And I gotta deal with that crap. Maximum Soul Speed. Peace.